the San Joaquin Valley is a region of hard-working, industrious people. It's also an area of great poverty. A recent study shows that a staggering 24% of San Joaquin County residents did not have health insurance for all or part of last year. Preventative care is unaffordable for many. The infant mortality rate is horrifically high, and chronic problems become life-threatening. This is why Kaiser Permanente opens its doors each year for a day of free health care for the uninsured and underinsured. In Modesto, Manteca, and Stockton, Kaiser Permanente greeted 4,000 relieved and anxious participants at the 8th Annual Neighbors in Health Fair.
I've been worried about my cholesterol. My father's recently had heart problems. But I figured I was okay, but I wanted to make sure.
Porque va a entrar a la escuela.
He's going to go to school?
He's going to be like a first grader. And our school, the school requires some of the, like his weight and everything. So we came here to since today's free analyzing, everybody gets free, so we just did it for him too.
For many in this region, Neighbors in Health is the only time they see a doctor. Healthcare is so desperately needed that some, like Rosa Mendoza, began standing in line as early as 5 a.m. to be the first to receive healthcare at Kaiser Permanente.
De todos los exámenes, del dentista, el oído.
At the Neighbors in Health Fair, Rosa and thousands of others like her are able to get an array of free health services.
You could see a dentist, you can see an OB doctor, you could see a pediatric doctor, you can get a hearing test, you could be immunized.
So vamos a abrir las puertas ahora. So, ¿están listos? Yeah!
7 million Californians, more than 100,000 in San Joaquin County alone, are without health care. For those who make it to Kaiser Permanente's Neighbors in Health Fair, these services are a blessing in more ways than one.
We care not just about your health, not just about your physical well-being, but we really do care about your emotional health, your spiritual health, and your mental health. So indeed, we have the services here today to make sure that if you use us fully, that perhaps we will make a difference in your life.
Indeed, for those who finally receive treatment for a neglected illness, Neighbors in Health saves lives. For others, it's an opportunity to educate their children about health and dental care.
They can learn more things. For example, they explain how to brush their teeth and how to use the dental floss.
Each year, on the third Sunday in August, 800 volunteers, including Kaiser Permanente physicians, health professionals, and staff, come together to help those less fortunate in our community.
I love doing this. It's wonderful to be able to provide care to uninsured in San Joaquin County. And it's just pleasing as the last gentleman that we saw to walk out and be able to know that we're letting him see. And it's very, very rewarding.
Neighbors in Health touches the lives of so many in San Joaquin County, making people stronger, healthier, and making our community a better place.
When I think about my role as a physician, it doesn't get any better than this. To be able to help someone less fortunate, to make a difference in their life, to find a condition or treat a condition that they have that's going to make a difference in their life, that's why we decided to become physicians. That's why we spent those long hours in medical school, so that ultimately we can make a difference in someone else's health life.
And making a difference is what Neighbors in Health is all about. During this annual event, we're reminded of the great gift of health that we have and that we can share. We thank our volunteers, sponsors, and community members who give of themselves to provide health education, food, and fun, so that others in our community may thrive.
See, that's what I like. Kaiser, they help people.